So you're doing network marketing, but your friends and your family hating on you. What should you do? Find out next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about network marketing, having success with network marketing, but dealing with the issue that a lot of network marketers have, especially when they're getting started, and that is dealing with hate or negativity from the people closest to them, right? Their family, their friends, even coworkers, being negative, making jokes or rolling their eyes when you talk about your business opportunity, or just completely not supporting you, not even asking you how your business is going, or none of that, or rejecting you every time, or if you ask them about the business, they reject you. They want nothing to do with it. It's a scam. It's this and that. You need to be doing this and that. How do you deal with that when you can't, when you're around it all the time? Now, the obvious answer, and a lot of people would say, just get rid of those people. Just cut them out your life, right? That's hard to do, if you're married to the person. Now, if you really having issues, then I guess they say get a divorce or break up or give an ultimatum. But that's drastic for a lot of people, right? But it's not a good feeling when you're trying to go outside the box and be your own boss, start your own business, and the people closest to you are just downing you, right? They're making fun of you, and they're making you feel this big, right? Here's my best advice. All right, surround yourself. Now, limit the negativity as much as you can. So if you don't have to be around these people, your friends or family, as much because they're negative, try to limit it as much as you can, without cutting them off completely, right? That's always an option, but whatever. Try to limit that negativity. But the other thing you need to do is spend more time with the people that think like you. Spend more time with the people that's in your network marketing company, whether it be on Facebook groups or, in-person meetings, phone calls, Skype sessions, whatever it is. Surround yourself with people with the same mindset as much as you can. And even if it's people that's not even in your company, just go to groups and talk to people, because trust me, I live it. It's like, few people close to me, they down what I do. They don't support what I'm doing. They don't think it's real, and until that money come in and I use it to buy stuff, whatever, on personal issues. But anyway, so it truly makes a huge difference if you're hearing negativity from your friends, your family, but then you can get online or call somebody and have a conversation about, getting leads and earning potential and video marketing questions that you can guys go back and forth. It's such a good feeling to be able to talk to people that think like you and have the same goals as you do, right? So how to deal with the negativity from people closest to you is try to put yourself around the more positive people that are doing what you're doing as much as you can. That way, it's like the 80-20 rule. If 80% of your day or your time is associating with people in your industry, yeah, you got to suck it up and hear the BS from your friends and family. But it's all good, because you can turn around and talk to your people in your network and your group and stuff like that, and get built back up, get that self-esteem back up, and continue doing what you're doing. Another side note, when you do become successful with your network marketing business, your company, whatever, the same people that was hating on you and downing you is the same people that's going to be praising you and telling everybody how you live a dream lifestyle, and any trip that you want to do or any gift that you buy, they're going to accept it and they're going to want more, right? So just be aware of that. But guys, that's what you need to do if you want to become successful with network marketing. I live it every day, and I just keep pushing, and I love interacting with people that's doing what I'm doing and talking to people, that's doing what I'm doing. All right. So, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. I'm done rambling. If you want to check out what company I'm with right now, link in the description. Genesity, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm loving. Great, great company, guys. So if you want to check that out, be sure to do so below. Comment, share this video, and be sure to subscribe. Because you see I'm on here giving that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.